Now you know what? They have a little special little plastic tool that you can get at the hardware store. And you think, oh, I'll just get that. I can make perfect lines every time. Don't waste your time with that. Okay? I wouldn't. You'll get good at this. Just spend some time at it. And the more you do, it's just the better you'll get. That's just how it is. Well, they also have caulking strips you can buy and try to put on there. Again, you don't need to do that. I'm putting more pressure up against the tile because I'm wiping that edge off. The only way to get that off is to have a clean finger and moist, because that's what's just wiping off the excess, okay? That's a little tricky to get the inside little corner there. You may have to try that a couple times because you have to kind of swish it in there, you know, without pushing too hard, or else the caulk line comes up onto your grout, you know. So hold your mouth just right as you go around that corner and you'll get it. There. Oh, it's primo. The line at the bottom needs to be tightened up just a little bit, so I'm putting more pressure with my finger. I'm putting more pressure down onto the tub than anywhere else, and I can wipe that up. I got a nice straight line. I'm looking at that. Make sure you have plenty of light too, by the way. And that's how it's done. Yeah, you want me to pan it in so you can see how straight that line is, don't you? See there? That's how you want it. I'm almost done here. Somebody's gonna have a field day with me too. Hey Joe, wow, I've been watching this, how to caulk a tub, and it's taken you over 5 minutes for this. Just get to the point and show us the highlights. Blah blah blah. Will you get the full Monty with me? The enchilada, the full enchilada as it were. That's where my grout starts right there, so I want to make sure I don't go any further than that. Okay. Most of that I'm going to come this way here. Trying to remember exactly how I held my finger. Okay. Come back that way. And now I got my sponge. My sponge is slightly damp. I'm going to look at the line here. I'm going to eyeball that right on down. Look up here at the top. Press right there. Get that off of there. Off of the tile. Now if I get it beyond the grout line over there, you know, at this end, I could wipe it off, but you know, if you're careful, maybe you don't have to. Okay, there's a little bit of excess up at the top, so I'm just going to rub that off with my damp fingeroni. I'm liking that. I'm liking that a lot. And before you know it, you'll be done. You know, I know you've been You've been dreading to re-caulking your tub, your nasty looking tub at the bottom. But you know, clean it all really good with a razor blade and get all the excess off and clean it, put some simple green on it and kill that fungus on there and stuff, and get ready to caulk it. You do it the very same way as I did, and I showed you the right technique to do, and you can do it too. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.